What's up guys, it's Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. Today is August 12, 2021 and we are on greed. CoinGecko, I see Bitcoin flat, Ethereum flat. I see Bitcoin 4% down, Ethereum 4.9% down, Binance Coin 3.4%, XRP 7.7% up. Top gainers of the day, XRP 7.8% up, Axie Infinity 7.1% up, IOTX 6.9% up, Near 6.8% up, XDC 20% up. And top gainers of the week, IOTX, Ravencoin, Hot, AXS, ICP, XDC. Top losers, QNT 15% down, Rune 14.9% down, SafeMoon 12% down, LEO 4.1% down. Okay, let's go to the chart. Crypto index, talk about this. It broke on this descending channel. On the 4-hour chart, I see a wedge and we counted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now, it's about to drop on this descending channel. Let's see if we can see a correction, ABC, then another 5 wave to the upside. So Bitcoin on the monthly chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 every day. I told you this guys, July, August would be a green month. September, we might see a pullback. October, November, December would be another green month. So don't worry about it. Buy and hold guys. Similar to monthly chart of Ethereum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are in a green month. So probably September, we'll see a pullback, but there's no guarantee. So Bitcoin, August 7, I posted this one. So we're here now and we had a pullback. Yesterday I told you about this resistance here. So right now it went down. On the 4-hour chart, I see the price is dropping on this ascending channel. Ethereum on the daily chart, it broke on this descending channel. And right now it's still ascending channel or a wedge. And the 4-hour chart, we're still on the wedge. Let's see if the price will drop on this wedge. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I posted this one. This is bullish pennant, so this is the one. So let's see, let's monitor the price. Dogecoin, I posted this one July 21st and it went up and we're here now. The target has been reached. So a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the price reached went here already 5. So exactly what we have predicted. Shiba Inu, I posted this one July 25 and the price still here, so still struggling. So on the 4-hour chart, we see that's still struggling to pop up on this trend line here or the top of the descending channel. But right now it's also creating looks like it's creating a triangle here. Let's see. Okay, there you go guys. Possibly the price will pop up now. QTOM, I posted this one yesterday. It went up, but it went down again. So let's see if the price will go down here, and it might still create a flag. So let's see. ICP, I posted this one July 28 and we are here now. So 38 to almost 80, 78. Right now looks like it's creating a channel. Doge, I posted this one July 18th. Okay, boom. We're here now. Okay, target has been reached, but right now it's creating ascending channel. So it reached already our target and also this resistance here. So we might see the price drop for a correction, ABC, and go for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Okay, maybe because tomorrow is Friday, the price is dropping right now. Oh, I forgot to mention the crypto bubbles. So IOTX 373% up and Ravencoin, ICP, Axie, hot, all green today guys. Let's see the chart of IOTX. So IOTX, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, we're already almost here at 0.38. It could still go down here at somewhere at 50. So 8 cents, 10 cents. So this is a great buying opportunity, but my exchange doesn't have IOTX. So Rune, biggest loser. So we see the price drop on this ascending channels. So right now it's bouncing back on this resistance here, support here on the 1 hour. So this could be your running flat ABC, could be. Bearish scenario, I see a descending channel or flag here or bearish pennant. So let's see tomorrow guys. Okay, that's it guys. See you tomorrow and I love you.